The landlord says this is his haunted house. Hey, hey, hey. Kuya, come look the bed. There's a toilet here, guys, but do you see the bed?
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
So last week, I've given you guys 3 options to vote for us. Palawan, Cebu or Siargao, where you guys think we should move on. And then Palawan actually got the most votes. So now we are on Puerto Princesa. We're gonna go to Almeida first to see a house that someone has showed us.
I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way.
So we're gonna now go and look at our first house. It's on like a private island. So we walk towards our boat. There's our boat. And there's the owner, Ellie. He's gonna now show us our first house. Let's go check it out.
'Cause I found my way.
Let's go! Bye bye, Captain. Here's also a clamber. Where's the house? Over here. Okay. I can tell you guys one thing. It's really nice. Then it's very quiet. I don't hear any human thing here. I hear birds, wind, the water. Looks cool. Looks very cool. Bob, what do you think?
Yeah, very cool. Very quiet. And still fishes jumping.
Oh, me too. There's a lot of baby fish. Okay, so the water comes all the way up. So now it's very low tide, guys.
But it's under here.
Haunted house.
The landlord says this is his haunted house. Let's go have a look. Hello? Anyone here?
May multo.
Munto? What? Multo. Multo. Hello. Yeah, I see lots of repairs. Okay.
5 years bago ko lang bisita.
So for 5 years you haven't been here?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the one room. Hey, hey, hey. You got scared.
There's bats.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a toilet here, guys, but do you see the bats? They're looking at me. Yo, they scared me. Check, they have big ears.
I'm Batman.
Kuya, come look the bats. Lots of bats. This is the other room. We're gonna have to put a whole new roof on.
Yeah.
So guys, I knew there was a house, but I didn't know it's gonna need so much work. What I can tell you, it's very, very cool where it is. We're literally in nature, away from everything and everyone. I am interested. I just don't know yet what to think about it. I think it's super cool. But I like it, guys. So there is no water, there is no electricity. I'm gonna have to put in solar panel. I'm gonna have to put in pipes and stuff. Like I said earlier, a lot going on in my mind. But please let me know what you think of this place. Should we take it, make it a project? I think we're getting it for a very good price, and I'm actually excited. But I think we should look at 1 or 2 more places. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below.
'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way.
I'm at my second house, and this is how it looks right now at the second house. So this is like almost like a guest house type of vibe, and then this whole area is 1,500 square meters, and there's a nice view patio place that you can view. So this area is like a storage area that we can maybe clean. So it looks like they already set in the generator. This is a community toilet. And this is then going to the house that's right at the road. This is the main gate where we come in. So this is the patio in the front. Okay, it's open. So as you can see, there's the first room with a bathroom. This is the second room, or I guess this can be the living area. But there's also a bathroom here. And then this is like a kitchen, a big kitchen. This is totally different from the other place. The only drawback for me is that this is a bit further from El Nido. It's closer to Puerto Princesa. I think about 70 kilometers from Puerto Princesa. But yeah, totally different vibe. This place will also need a bit of work if we're gonna take this. So I can either take it for myself and just stay here by myself, or I can stay here and I can turn it into the Airbnb vibe. So this part is also part of ours, and then this whole part is still ours. There's the main house and then the extra house there, then the whole ocean. What do you guys think of the second house? So we are the third house. This is not like the other houses. This is the front. This is our parking. Back area here. Like a small living area with our kitchen, small bathroom at the bottom, and then the washing room. Another bathroom, first bedroom, second bedroom, main bedroom, bathroom, and then this is the view outside. This building there. Okay, so this is our third house. It's not like in nature like the other houses. This is more in a village type of area. 3-bedroom house with 3 bathrooms, I think. Actually, what do you guys think of the third house?
I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.